Hi everyone, welcome to Agri Farm Walk and Talk in Gurteen Agricultural College. Students will visit 12 stands, all related to the agricultural science curriculum. Students will be able to listen, interact and engage and hopefully take home some important learnings. We hope you have a great day here despite the weather.
Hello, I'm John Parry. I'm delighted to be welcoming over 350 students to Gurteen College today, working in conjunction with Agri. It's a really important day to highlight all the potential careers around agriculture and our fabulous sector in Ireland. So there's 12 different stations focused very much around the Leaving Cert programme, so sustainability will be to the fore. But we've also got stations on animal health, we've got a station on our equine centre here at the college, calves and dairy, grassland management will be an important feature of what we're covering as well.
Welcome to Gurteen College for the Agri-Aware Walk and Talk. Today I'm going to be talking to you about renewable energies here on the college farm, and I'll look forward to talking to you throughout the day.
I'm here with ABP today and we're going to be speaking about sustainable beef production systems, carcass specs, carcass weights and beef export markets.
Today I'm going to be chatting to you all about silage in relation to dry matter and DMD. I look forward to meeting you all and taking your questions.
Today we're going to talk about the digestive system. So we're going to start with the teeth and work our way through the whole digestive process. So that goes from anything that we put in the front end that comes out the back end and everything in between. We're also going to cover possible issues that may arise in the digestive process.
Hi guys, we're here in Gurteen's farm and we are going to be talking to the students from secondary schools, talking about all things dairy. So we're going to be basing it on the Irish dairy industry, and we'll be also talking about Gurteen farm itself, and then we'll bring in a little bit of sustainability, just about the carbon environment and all that. So that's what we'll be talking about today.
Today I'm going to talk to you about all things soil, the importance of taking a soil sample, interpreting that results in terms of pH, the importance of lime and how a farmer can use that information to plan their fertiliser use throughout their year.
I really enjoyed my time here at Gurteen. I thought it was really interesting learning about the horses, as I'm from a beef farm, and we learned that horses only have one stomach, so the beef pulp especially has to be watered down for them and soaked, so it's easier for them to eat and they won't be sick.